Amazing. Look at it. Let me take this out. Oh, wow. It is so unbelievably fresh. It's got the taste of the onions. It's got a little bit of that spicy, like chipotle coriander sauce mixed with it. The cheese is fresh. It is loaded in there. And it's a perfect snack. It's like just enough to get that flavor to quesadilla. And the blue corn is such an amazing thing. I like blue corn chips at home. So with this, it's like it's freshly made. It's very warm. It tastes smooth. Definitely highly recommend it, man. This street food gets better and better. Blue corn chicken quesadilla. It's absolute must when you're out here in Mexico City.